Okay. Work. Okay, I'm gonna do a dolly shot. Hi! All my friends in Mexico, I'm working hard! I'm waving on the rocks.
Somebody said my hair was mousy. Your hair looks a bit mousy.
Where's my mouse? Where? Oh, here it is. Don't do drugs? Oh yeah, okay.
By the way,
I'll
you're
try
fired.
not. I'm fired.
She's listening. Look at it.
Oh, it's just so ridiculous. It's a dolly shot.
Nice.
I'll pan the room. Is it time to go?
Well, you guys can go. He hasn't called and it's 6:45. Oh, this is the other thing. I couldn't find this harness poster, and I don't know.
That's one of the,
Use the mouse cam.
I don't know what it is. I don't remember it.
No, I can't do the mouse cam like
But it's
that. I gotta do
because
it
we
like
did all
that.
this other stuff, but I don't remember that.
Like, that's her harvest thing. And I've seen that harvest
With the
thing on other
scarecrow, you
things.
mean?
Yeah, but it just, that's...
How do I switch this?
I
I gotta do it like this.
Right.
Just like
yeah,
that, and then it has Middleton.
Oops, I can't figure out. If you got
How'd
time
it
tomorrow,
work?
we can try to, I'm not asking you to do it tonight.
Yeah.
Just see if you can dig something out on that.
I'm filming you on the mouse cam.
Micey. It's Micey. Micey.
Fred's over there working hard. Or he's writing a letter.